Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be outfitting some worktops, so stick around if you want to see that. But before we start, we're going to have a bacon and egg butty. And it'd really help out if you can like and comment on this video. Thanks for watching. Out the van now. What we need. Have we got everything, Liam?
I think so. No.
Ready to start?
No, we've not. All important. Radio.
Need the radio. Need the levels. We have them.
Actually, I don't know how to play it.
Need the hoover, dust sheets, some other bits. If anyone wants to see a van tour, then drop me a comment and we can maybe make a video on that. What do you reckon?
Alright.
Here we are in the posh lift.
Posh lift with 2 zeros.
Do you want a 40 or 40? These are the worktops that we're doing. Downstairs. Cracks there as well. So all we're doing here, guys, is we are just changing the worktops only. Everything else is going back in. We're refitting the sink, we're refitting the hob, and as you can see, the kitchen has been installed very poorly. Drop there, let's put a batten on the wall there.
Yeah.
Nothing supporting it. This kitchen is originally supplied by Ikea. And it's a warranty repair, so it's got a 10-year warranty on it, so the worktops are getting changed and they are covering the full cost of the materials and the labour for this work. Do let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on Ikea kitchens. I'm not a fan myself, but let me know what you think. Here's where I messed up, because I did get some video footage of us removing the old worktops, prepping everything up, but it didn't record for some reason. It cut out. I missed that part. These square edge ones, we're just cutting them straight. Cut them to the right size first, and then we're going to cut the laminate strip off, and then we're going to route her out for the worktop bolts to go in. And then we're going to biscuit joint them to join them together, get a nice flush clean joint. Yeah, so to do these, basically you just strip the laminate off, cut it up to where they're going to join together, and then we're going to take them back outside once we've marked up them. We're going to route her out then for the worktop bolts, and then we'll biscuit joint it. We didn't get that bit on video, but yeah, that's how we join these ones. Dinner time now for Liam. That's how much I look after my staff. Look at 10 quid that was, just for his.
No, it came out of my pocket.
Yeah, we've got the worktops in now. Just going to cut out the hob and the sink. Right, now we are refitting the old sink and the old hob, and we're doing that by drawing round them first, round the outside, like so, and the hob we're going in 10mm and the sink we're going in 5mm from that edge. And we're just putting some tape on the circular saw there so we don't scratch. We just used our big square there so we can square it up, make sure they're both straight, and we use that as an equal gap from the edge of the worktop to the edge of the sink and the edge of the hob, so they both look uniform and the same. You want to take extra care at corners, mark it off so you're not going to go over the corners anywhere, and then you want to drill 4 holes. And I'm going to use a spade bit. These are blue Bosch ones. I find these are the best, they go straight through. Obviously make sure you got your hoover on, getting rid of all that dust as you go. Not what's left now, all the dusty and hard bits are done, so it's just to refit the hob, refit the oven, and we've got the Liam just replumbing all the sinking and the dishwasher, the washing machine, all little bits and bobs back in, and then it's ready to silicone all round and tidy up, and then we are done. We always use Dow 785, I think it's the best silicone to use. If you're using it around kitchens, kitchen worktops, baths, showers, always go with this. I've tried it, tested it, and it just works every time. Don't let you down, it doesn't go mouldy, and it does stand the test of the time. There we go guys, that is the job complete now. Everything is done, all the old stuff is refitted. It's just the worktops we've changed in here, everything else is the original parts. The tiles haven't been disturbed, sinks back in, oven and cooker are back in, and it's all done. It's looking 100 times better than the original install. We did struggle a bit because none of the units were fitted level, nothing is in straight or level, but that's it guys. Don't forget to like and follow and subscribe, see more videos.